Did you know that over 85 million jobs could go unfilled by 2030 due to a lack of skilled talent? That's $8.5 trillion in unrealized revenue globally, simply because companies can't find people with the right skills. In today's fast-paced economy, your income potential is no longer about your degree. It's about your skills. Whether you want to land a better job, start a side hustle, or launch a business, mastering the right skills can change your life. So let's break down 5 in-demand skills that can massively boost your earning power. In a world drowning in data, the person who knows how to interpret it holds the keys to the kingdom. Companies generate massive amounts of data every day, but raw data is useless without people who can make sense of it. That's where data analysis comes in. Whether you learn Excel, SQL, Python, or tools like Tableau, data analysis opens doors in finance, marketing, healthcare, and tech. One of the best points. Many entry-level roles don't require a computer science degree, just proof you know what you're doing. Google processes 8.5 billion searches a day. And behind many of those searches, a digital marketer making money. From SEO and content strategy to paid ads and email marketing, digital marketers are essential to modern business. The best part? You can start learning with free tools like Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. Many freelancers earn $50 to $100 per hour running simple campaigns for small businesses. If you understand how to turn attention into conversions, your skills are gold. If you are finding these wealth boosters helpful, please let us know by liking the video. This tells us what you want to learn more of. By subscribing to the channel, you will know as soon as there are more helpful videos available. Here's a skill most people overlook. Writing, but not just any writing. Copywriting. The ability to sell with words. Think about it. Every ad, every landing page, every email funnel, and someone got paid to write those words. Copywriters are some of the highest paid freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Learn persuasive writing and psychology, and you can sell products, grow businesses, or build your own brand, all from your laptop. What if the most valuable skill in 2025 is being yourself on camera? Content creation is no longer just for influencers. Brands need TikToks, YouTube videos, podcasts, and blog posts, and they're paying creators to produce them. You don't even need a huge audience. Many micro-creators make full-time income from brand deals, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Learn video editing, storytelling, and audience psychology. And you're not just building income, you're building leverage. Have you ever been the person who just gets things done? In Australia, there's serious demand and pay for people like that. It's called project management. From construction and infrastructure to tech and government, project managers are essential to delivering on time and under budget. Salaries often range to over $160,000 depending on the industry. There are many certifications that are highly valued and put you ahead of the game. If you can lead teams, manage workflows, and communicate clearly, employers want you. You don't need to learn everything. Just pick one skill, go deep, and let the market reward you. Which of these skills are you most interested in learning? Let us know in the comments.